Are you able to see this? It's a potato pendulum. So there is a potato over here. I couldn't find anything better than this. So this is my pendulum, right? Now, if you move it here and release it. So Galileo did the same thing. He took a bob. Bob is a spherical ball. He connected the bob to the thread and then he released it, right? Is there anyone who has a stopwatch or something near them? So when I tell you to start the stopwatch, you'll have to start the stopwatch. Fine. So everybody will focus, and we after 10 oscillations. So at the beginning of the first oscillation, we'll start the stopwatch, and after 10 oscillations, we'll stop it. Is that clear, everyone? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Fine. Done. How much time it took?
14 seconds.
Now I have a different answer. I have a lemon now. Fine. Of course, its weight is different from the potato. Now again, I'll start. You'll have to count the time. Fine. So 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. How much time it took?
Almost the same, sir. It's 14.29.
If you have a very light object or very heavy object also, it will take the same time. When Galileo found that out, he realized that, okay, why the pendulum is coming down? That was question number 1, right? Why the pendulum was coming down? If there is no gravity, will the pendulum come down? No. So, due to gravity, only the pendulum was coming down. And since the time period of the pendulum is same, that means mass is not impacting the effect of gravity on it. Is that clear?